Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. And today we're going to learn how to solve piecewise function algebraically and graphically. When we say piecewise function, from the word piecewise, there are various pieces that are put together, and these pieces are called function. It could be constant, linear, absolute value function, and many more. You put them together with their respective intervals. All right, let's solve it now. So here's what it looks like. You're given a function f of x with a linear function 2x plus 8, a quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 3, and a radical equation, which is square root x plus 3. But all of them have their own intervals. For the linear, this is the interval, everything that are x less than or equal to -2. X squared minus 3, the interval will be everything from -2 to +3, not including -2, but 3 is included. And square root of x plus 3, we're in every number that are greater than 3. Okay, so how do we evaluate it algebraically? So f of -4 is the value of x there. The question here first is, where does the -4 falls based on the interval? Is -4 less than -2, between -2 and 3, or greater than 3? That means we know that -4 goes on the first interval. -4 is less than or equal to -2, right? So that means we will plug in the -4 right on the x on this 2x plus 8. So it becomes now 2 times -4 plus 8. 2 times -4 is -8 plus 8 will give you 0. So therefore, f of -4 is equal to 0. All right, very easy, right? 6. 6 is 6 less than or equal to -2? No. Is 6 between -2 to 3? No. Is 6 bigger than 3? Yes. So therefore, it will work this third equation. So we will plug in the 6 to the x here. So it becomes now square root of 6 plus 3. What's 6 plus 3? 9. Square root of 3 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So therefore, f of 6 is equal to 3. Kaboom. Next, f of -2. -2, is it less than or equal to -2, or is it between -2 up to 3? But -2 is not included. The answer is the first one, because here there's no equal sign, or there's no line here. That means it's not equal to -2, unlike the first interval, x less than or equal to -2. So this is the right interval. So we're going to plug in -2 to this equation here. So 2, -2 plus 8. 2 times -2 is -4 plus 8 is 4. So f of -2 is equal to 4. Kaboom. F of 0. 0 is not less than or equal to -2. 0 is not greater than 3, but 0 is between -2 and 3. So I'm going to plug in the 0 to the x here. So 0 squared minus 3, 0 minus 3, -3. So f of 0 is equal to -3. Kaboom. All right, I need you to pause and try this on your own. Okay, copy everything and try to solve it algebraically. Okay. All right, there you go. I hope you tried to do this. And let's solve the function here algebraically. F of x is equal to the function 2x cubed minus 1, 3, and x minus absolute value of x minus 2 with a given interval here. 8 is bigger than 5, so that will go on the third. So this will be 8 minus 2, absolute value of 8 minus 2, which will give you 6, and the answer is 6. So f of 8 is equal to 6. Kaboom. F of 0, 0 is between 1 to 5. Nope. Is less than 1. Yes. So you plug in the 0 here. So 2, 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube is 0 still. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is -1. So f of 0 is equals to -1. F of 4, 4 is between 1 to 5. So I'm going to plug in 4 to the x here. But do you see an x here? No. So the answer is just going to be 3. Kaboom. f of 5, 5, is it on the second or third? If you say that f of 5 is in the second, you're wrong because the second one says x is greater than equal to 1 but less than 5, not equal to 5. Unlike the third one, x greater than equal to 5, equal to 5. So we're going to plug in the 5 right here. So the absolute value of 5 minus 2 is equal to positive 3. Absolute value of 3 is 3. So therefore, f of 5 is 3. Kaboom. Very easy, right? All right, let's see now how to solve piecewise function graphically. Meaning to say, the graph is given, you just have to find the answer based on the graph, okay? So f of 2, remember everything here inside the parentheses are the function. Okay, the function that are x values basically. These are the x values. So means say they're asking you if x equal to 2, what's the value of y? Okay, in the coordinate. So where's x equals 2? Look on the x-axis. This is the x equals, no, x equal 2 is right here. If that's x equal 2, where's your graph? The graph goes right here on this green point. Okay, what is that point? That point is 2, negative 1. So the x there is equal to 2, the y there is equal to negative 1. So the answer there is negative 1. So I'm just going to write here f of 2 is equal to negative 1. Make sense? One more. F of negative 3. So look at the x value that is equal to negative 3, which is right here. Okay, I need you to pay attention here. Okay, so this is the negative 3 of x. Draw a line there. It passes through two portions of the graph. But there are a difference between the two. First, this is open and this is closed. Which one do you think the point that we're going to use? Obviously, we're going to pick this full closed red point here because that is closed. Unlike here is open, means it doesn't pass through that one. And what is that point? That point there is negative 3, and we can say around that 2.5, right? So therefore, the value of x there is negative 3, which is that's what we're looking for, and the y there is 2.5. So f of negative 3 is 2.5. Kaboom. Okay, next. F of negative 1 is right here. Okay, and we draw a line on the negative 1, open circle, so that's not part of the answer. Open circle again, that's not part of the answer. So therefore, none of them. So it's no solution. Okay. All right. F of negative 4. Negative 4 is right here of x. So draw a line there. That's the pink point. That pink point there is negative 4, the x value, and the y is 2. Again, this is the x value, so the answer is positive 2. Okay. All right. Make sure you copy the graph here and try to learn how to find the values of the function. Okay. All right. I would like you to pause, copy the question, and work it out on your own. Okay. All right, there you go. I hope you tried, and let's see if your answers are right. So f of 0, 0 is right here. This is 0 of the x, and this is the green point. So the answer there is 2. F of negative 4 is right here. So draw that red point there. That is negative 4, 1. So this is 1. F of negative 1 is right here. Now this is a line open, so that means it's not part of the answer. Close. So we're gonna pick that blue point, and that is negative 1, negative 2. So this is negative 2. And last one here, f of 3, 3 is right here. So draw a line there. Boom. And that point is 3, 3. So this is going to be 3. There you go. That's how you solve piecewise function algebraically and graphically. I hope you learned something. As always, kaboom.